Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download a sales report from Zoho Books. This is essential for tracking your revenue performance and making informed business decisions based on your sales data. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your financial dashboard without any delays. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu options. Click on the Reports tab. This section houses all the financial reports available in Zoho Books, giving you comprehensive insights into different aspects of your business operations. Now you'll see a variety of report categories displayed on your screen. Look for the Sales section, as this is where all your sales-related reports are organized. From here, you'll see several report types, including sales by customer, sales by item, sales by salesperson, and sales summary. Each of these provides different perspectives on your sales performance, so select the one that best matches the information you need to analyze. Once you've chosen your report type, the next step is to specify the date range. Zoho Books allows you to either select from preset options like this month or last quarter, or you can enter specific custom dates if you need data from a particular time period. This flexibility ensures you're analyzing exactly the time frame that matters to your business. If you want to drill down even deeper into your data, click on the Filters section. Here you can apply additional criteria such as category, department, or tags to customize the report further. These filters help you segment your sales data and gain more targeted insights into specific areas of your business. With your parameters set, click the Run Report button. This will generate and display your sales report on the screen. Take a moment to review the displayed information for accuracy and to gather insights into your sales performance. The report will show you detailed breakdowns based on the criteria you selected. Finally, if you need to save or share this report, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Export. Zoho Books gives you the option to download the report as a PDF, Excel, or CSV file, depending on how you plan to use the data. Choose your preferred format, and the download will begin immediately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.